Hello, I'm restarting my channel on ThePackPuller. I used to do a lot of box bus, TTMs, all that good stuff, and I got out of it for a little, and I want to get back into it. I'm sorry if I sound retarded. I have a terrible cold right now. Anyways, I just bought a Buster box of Absolute Football, and wanted to open on camera. So here we go. A blaster box. If I said Buster box, a blaster box. Okay. Our first pack, we have Frank Gore, Aaron Hernandez, Santana Moss, Matt Forte, Phillip Rivers, Lynch, Calvin Johnson, Joe Flacco, Christian Ponder, and Reggie Wayne, all base. If you're interested in any of these, just let me know, and I'll get back to you. Probably, I mean, for the base, I'll probably just give it to you if you just pay for the thing. Or, not even, just probably send it out to you. Anyways, next pack: Vincent Jackson, Greg Jennings, Ray Lewis, Marcus Colston, Maurice MJD, Rob Gronk, Roddy White, Arian Foster, Deshaun Jackson, and last, Reggie Bush. Pack number 3. Hold on. Blaine Gabbert, Alex Smith, Wes Walker, Pierre Garcon, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, Fred Jackson, Golden Tate, Matt Stafford, D'Angelo Williams, and Percy Harvin. Opening the next pack. Kevin Cobb, Ben Roethlisberger, Darren McFadden, Chris Johnson, who is that? Rookie Devon Stell, rookie card, Michael Vick, whoops, these are upside down, Steven Johnson, Stevie, Sidney Rice, Demarius Thomas, Steve Smith. Sean Green, Dwayne Bowe, Larry Fitz, Josh Cribbs, Carson Palmer, Rashard Mendenhall, Darius Hayward Bay, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Jason Witten, Willis McGahee. Open the next pack. This pack looks fat. I'm going to put it in the back. There's something in it. Jay Cutler, AJ Green, Hakeem Nicks, Jake Locker, Tony Romo, Adrian Peterson, could he break the record? Dez, just had a huge week, Santonio Holmes, Matt Castle, Beanie Wells. Okay, second to last pack. Ahmad Bradshaw, Kenny Britt, DeMarco Murray, Tim Tebow, Jamal Charles, Austin Collie, Peyton Manning, Broncos, Sam Bradford, Matt Ryan, Mike Wallace. So here's a fat pack. I want to see if there's anything in it. Oh, wow. Go figure. We actually got a jersey in this. I have no clue who it is. I'll put it in the back. I'll slide it. Antonio Gates. They're all in the back. Okay. Looks like we have a Jet in the back. Steven Jackson, Michael Turner, Andre Johnson, LaShawn McCoy, Devon Best, Josh Freeman, Aaron Rodgers, Ray Rice. I don't want to lose. I almost blew it. Darren Sproles, and our hit was the Jets. Stephen Hill, rookie jersey collection. Is it numbered even? I don't think it's numbered. Well, that's it. Just Stephen Hill, NFL rookie jersey collection card. And that's it for our Absolute Football 2012 box. I'm going to be putting up a lot of videos soon. Rift Still Break, I have this I also have in hand. Rookie and Stars. And I have a lot for you guys for now, for the future. Anyways, hit me up if you are anything. Please like, sub, and I'll see you soon.